बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम, अस्सलाम वालेकुम जी। मैं अपनी एक और नई वीडियो के साथ आपकी खिदमत में हाज़िर हूँ। इस वीडियो में टीचर्स की जॉब्स शेयर करूँगी जो कि आई थी डॉन संडे 19 मई 2024 के अखबार में। तो टीचर्स की पहली जॉब है प्रेस्टिजियस स्कूल सिचुएटेड नियर एयरपोर्ट, ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है मॉडल कॉलोनी रिक्वायर्स स्टाफ नंबर 1 इंग्लिश मैथ एसएसटी उर्दू एंड आर्ट टीचर फॉर इट्स जूनियर सेक्शन, English computer and SST teacher for its middle section and physics teacher for its senior section of its O-level campus number 2 Urdu Islamiyat and English teacher for its junior section of its matric campus market competitive salary and medical coverage offered. Send CVs at careers@bas.edu.pk or walk in between 9 am to 1 pm before Saturday 25th May 2024। टेलीफोन नंबर 34493214 भी है और 15 भी है। 34493214 भी है और 15 भी है। A well-renowned school of FB area urgently requires coordinator Montessori teachers primary, secondary, English, math, computer science and Urdu। email info.rs1617@gmail.com। सेल नंबर है 030622090802 030622090802। डेल सोल द स्कूल PECHS campus block 6 it's looking for highly qualified teaching faculty in multiple subjects। suitable candidates must have a proven teaching track record with reputable schools, excellent spoken and written English skills through command of subject knowledge and a passion for education। Del Sol offers an attractive salary package with great environment and continued professional development। email your resume to recruitment@delsoledu.com recruitment@delsoledu.com। Join our team at Happy Palace group of schools at HPGS। we value talent, professionalism and dedication। we are looking for dynamic individuals to fill the following positions: principal/vice principal, pre-primary, primary, secondary, O-levels teaching staff all subjects, pre-primary, primary, secondary, O-levels, फ्रंट डेस्क ऑफिसर ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है फीमेल, ऑफिस असिस्टेंट ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है फीमेल। इफ़ यू हैव एक्सलेंट लैंग्वेज एंड IT skills along with relevant experience in your field, we want to hear from you। to apply simply email your detailed resume PDF format to careers@hpgs.edu.pk। alternatively you can visit us in person from Monday to Saturday between 20th to 25th May 2024 from 9 am to 4 pm। our HR department is located at C for Cat 266 266 267 268 block 10 Federal area Karachi, Pakistan। call us for information 0213634139 0213634139। note only shortlisted candidates will be contacted for further evaluation। be a part of HPGS and be a catalyst for shaping future leaders। Karachi Cadet School requires qualified and experienced teachers for English, Science, Social Studies, Maths for primary and Physics, Chemistry, Biology, Computer for secondary classes, also female। Montessori directress, fluency in English is must। email your CVs recruit189@gmail.com 241/B/4 block 2 PECHS Karachi। WhatsApp 0331 326 2772 0331 326 2772। phone number 021343755525 021343755525। O-level computer science English teachers 6 to 8 Montessori directress primary science/home teacher minimum 3 years school experience block 6 Gulshan 0308275580 030827558005। एक और मोबाइल नंबर है 030092311029 030092311029, रमीन अकेडमी ज़मान टाउन कराची ज़मान टाउन कोरंगी नंबर 4, requires experienced principal in the field. Interested candidates send their CV to 031611203040, 031611203040 on WhatsApp. Required an experienced female English language teacher for a reputed English language academy located in North Nazimabad, part/full-time. Contact 0332366420, 0332364020. Required Montessori teacher at preschool in Gulshan-e Iqbal, females with B.Ed or diploma in early childhood education will be preferred. Apply at impearl.director@gmail.com or WhatsApp 0342 3989474, 0342 3989474. Required qualified MSc lecturer in related subject for teaching physics to our intermediate classes. Interview timings 8 AM to 1 PM. Contact Metropolis School and Intermediate College for Girls, C for Cat, 42 Block 13, Gulbarg FP area, Karachi, near Rahim Hospital. 36363587, 36363587. एक और मोबाइल नंबर है 0300 0221210, 0300 एक और मोबाइल नंबर है 0300 2239488, 0300 2239488. Required vice principal in charge SOS हरमैन जी ये मुझे नहीं समझ में आया. गर्ल्स स्कूल खैरपुर, ओनली फीमेल विद एटलीस्ट second class master's degree from a recognized university. In addition, AMET will be preferred. At least 5 years experience of working at a similar position. Additionally, 5 years teaching experience. Maximum age limit 45 years. Send your CVs at soscvsindh@gmail.com, soscvsindh@gmail.com by 5th June 2024. Senior at head mistress for preschool, 3 to 5 years experience and reputable school. Block 6 Gulshan Iqbal, 033412611126, 033412611126. एक और मोबाइल नंबर है 0300 9231029, 0300 9231029. वाहिद इंडोर ग्रामर स्कूल requires a part-time teacher to teach physics to O levels classes, fresh A levels. Candidate can also apply. The salary will depend on experience and qualification. Kindly bring your original educational documents along with CV when you come for an interview. Office timings 9 AM to 12 PM noon. Address A for Apple 5 Long Life Bangalows, Block 17 Gulistane Johar, Karachi. Contact number है 0336 222 3011, 0336 222 3011. एक और मोबाइल नंबर है 0336 3409052, 0336 3409052. Wanted experienced and qualified female teachers to teach chemistry/biology to the secondary classes. Must be fluent in English. Apply with CV to the principal, Genius Academy School, D for Doctor, 29 Block 8, Chaudhry Khaliquzzमान Road, Clifton, Karachi. Genius Academy @gmail.com. Only nearby can apply. 0333 2154580, 0333 2154580. Very experienced teacher looking for a full-time teaching position for English language/literature in a well-established school for August 2024 session. Contact Mrs. Mirza 032282611084, 032282611084. तो जी ये तो थी मेरी आज की वीडियो.
अगर आप लोगों को मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो मेरी वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा. इस वीडियो के लिए इतना ही. अल्लाह हाफ़िज़.